How's it going, everybody? I'm here at TrackSpec Motorsports, which is now also the home of
G-Stream, G-Stream Aerodynamics.
And this is John.
How you doing?
John is the owner of both, and currently he has our Supra.
Yeah.
So that must mean that we're doing some aero work.
All right, so my name is John, and we're here at the TrackSpec Motorsports headquarters, which is also now the home of G-Stream. So thanks for stopping by, Nick. Wanted to kind of give you a little, show you around on what we do here now. So obviously TrackSpec Motorsports is some of the best hood vents in the world for all the different applications. So we have heat extraction vents, and then we dabbled in aero. So now that we've acquired a company called G-Stream, we've put together the R&D that TrackSpec Motorsports has done in the last few years with aerodynamic development, and put it together with G-Stream's rich history of World Challenge and pro racing wins, and have a product for the consumer. So I'd like to give you a little bit of tour of what we do here. The latest project is obviously the Pink Ribbon Racing Supra. Super excited to work on this project with JJ and Nick yourself. So a couple weeks ago, JJ reached out to us and said, hey, we're looking for an aero package, and just so happened it was the same time that we acquired G-Stream and was going to launch the new brand under the TrackSpec name. And I said, hey, JJ, this is perfect. I got the perfect thing for you. We have a proven wing aero package that we wanted to try out on more consumer vehicles. And JJ said, I think I got a brand new Supra that you can just start cutting up on. And sure enough, here she is. And we took a look at the
Speaking of cut up.
Yeah, cut up. Yeah, so we cut it up a little bit last night. It was a little painful. I sent pictures to JJ and he was okay with it, but we did some engineering on it, and there are some challenges with this platform. First challenge is deck lid's plastic, so that's not going to take much of an aero load, and our G-Stream Comp 800 wing makes upwards of 400 to 500 pounds of downforce at 80 miles an hour. So we wanted to make sure we reinforced all that, and we're one of the first guys to actually do anything with a chassis mount. So it was decided that a chassis mount was the best solution for this car because of the plastic deck lid to take all the aero loads. So what we're going to do is, you can take a look here, we actually have a bolt-on solution for the customer that they don't have to weld to the frame or anything like that, but it's extremely strong. It's going to be made of 6061 aluminum, bolt-on to the existing holes in the chassis and with the uprights here. And for JJ's specific time attack system, we incorporated these two stubs, which is going to mount our G-Stream uprights to and make it fully adjustable. For the production version and the street version, we're actually going to have a couple different attachments here on the bottom that are going to be supporting underneath, so that you won't see this slot, and the wing will bolt onto the top, and the chassis mount's going to take the aero load through the skin underneath it. So we'll have a couple different configurations depending on your needs. So pretty excited about this project. As everything, it's down to the wire. So we have some global time attacks coming up soon, and we still have yet to test. So it looks like we're going to be testing what?
In 2 days.
In 2 days, perfect. So not only are you guys testing in 2 days, but we have another car that we're working on tonight, and it's what, 5 o'clock? We're working on the night that we need to get done for tomorrow delivery to test at Willow Springs tomorrow. So lots going on here at TrackSpec. We're super excited for the G-Stream brand to be online, and lots of new products coming out to get to the consumers for some good downforce. They don't fall apart, took the bolt out. But anyways, so here's part of the uprights for the G-Stream system, and it's pretty elaborate on what they do and how they adjust. They're such a beautiful design, and Dave Martis, the previous owner of G-Stream, has done a tremendous job designing a gorgeous product that has lots of aero built into it, but also adjustability, but just pure beauty. So I'm really proud of that. And,
these things
really happy.
totally caught my eye as soon as I walked in here.
Yeah,
I've never seen anything like this.
There's nothing on the market like it. So they're easily adjustable. Obviously, we got to put a bolt in that, but easily adjustable for your angle of attack. Everything is CNC routed, so everything's rounded, so it's nice and smooth for the airflow. Just everything, the precision fit is just beautiful. And we're going to be applying this design to all sorts of cars, including the A90 Supra, to incorporate this upright. Here we are with our Comp 800 wing. This here is what won World Challenge GTS series with Paul Brown. Really an excellent design, aerodynamically designed and developed, wind tunnel tested. This wing, this series of wings that G-Stream has, it's one of the few that are used by OEMs. So this wing is the same wing that Ford used on the Boss 302S race car. So you can get this wing from us directly, and we're going to apply this technology to all the other race cars that we are designing for, including the Supra. It's been on Porsche's Aston Martin, the TRG Aston Martin wing. They use that wing. BMW, Mustang, the Boss 302S race car, factory race car, available with a wing, and it comes with a G-Stream, which is fantastic.
I have a feeling that we're going to end up having very low angle of attack on this wing.
Absolutely. The Boss 302S ran with 0 to 1 degree. That was the factory recommendation. And that was after they did wind tunnel testing at the Ford Proving Grounds, is they ran about 0 to 1 degree with a 4-inch splitter. So this wing makes tremendous amounts of downforce, but with very minimal drag.
Can you school me really quickly on end plates? Because I see all these time attack cars with these like 8 by 8 foot ridiculous like, window panes for end plates.
Right.
What is that doing?
So end plates do absolutely make a difference. The design of end plates makes the difference with your pressure zones and how much air you can funnel underneath your between the top and the bottom of the wing. So end plates obviously go here, and most of them hang down low. So you want all of your high-speed air going down beneath the car. And the longer the end plate, the more air is captured in that area and funneled through this area. So if I shove 10 times more air underneath the wing and encapsulate it with an end plate, then this flow is going to speed up much faster to meet this slower moving air on top. And when you do that, the differential in pressure equals downforce. So the faster the air on the bottom is lower pressure, the slower moving on air on top is the high pressure, and that creates downforce. So with bigger end plates, you actually funnel more air through a given fixed area, and that air has to speed up and go faster. So there is an absolute difference in end plate design.
So there has to be a perfect like end plate to foil ratio for a specific application, or like a speed that you're going to be running at, or something like that. How do you figure that out?
So that comes down to tuning and also CFD. So basically, you don't want to have too much end plate per the wing that you're using. So a lot of cars, one of the best ways to go out and figure that out is to go out and test. So CFD will only tell you so much. So these are the signature G-Stream end plates. You can always tell a G-Stream wing from this end plate design. We encapsulated as much air as we needed to, but nothing more to get the downforce we needed, because we didn't need more downforce with that wing setup. So what they did was, this is sort of like the signature design and how the airflow goes across the wing and creates a pressure zone that actually looks like this in CFD. So this is a picture of what the airflow actually looks like going over the wing.
So it has more material where it's going to be most effective, and then where there would be diminishing returns and maybe more drag, you remove it.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly. That is exactly right. At the trailing edge of the wing, there's really no need for it to go any further down. All you're doing is creating drag and more turbulence. So as the air speeds up and goes around the wing, it tapers back up again. So this is Kevin. You guys have already met him already. But he's working on the tube that goes across, that spans across both of the sides of the uprights. So what this is going to do is give some additional strength here, because your pressure is going to be, your forces are going to be right on this angle here, and this is going to prevent any flex, so that you have all the downforce directly onto the frame with zero flex. And also from a safety standpoint, one of the biggest things that we focus on as racers, I'm a racer just as much as we are engineers here, and to make sure we have a factor of safety that allows us to sleep at night, to have a well-designed wing that won't fail.
So it's not going to be like that video, that standing mile Supra where the wing collapses out.
I've watched those videos so many times, and that to me, this helps me sleep better if we just engineer things correctly. It's like a shopping cart. Like that handle. So right now Kevin's just tacking it together to get the placement right. Checking the angles. we're going to go out there and you guys are going to drive the crap out of it in global time attack. You are, right? You're driving it.
I'm the driver, yeah.
All right, okay. Well, I think we'll be okay then. No, Nick, you're great. Yeah, you'll do great.
Yeah, so just being completely honest, I am pretty sure we're not going to be competitive in our class for this event.
Wait, JJ said he was going to win. That's why we're doing this.
Oh, man.
But he said it to me last time too.
Well,
I'm just kidding.
Lost that sponsor. Bye. I'm sorry. I don't think we're going to have enough time development in the car to really go for a win here.
Yeah.
I'm just being totally honest.
Yeah,
There's just not enough time.
Yeah.
This is just the first one. So this is like a trial run to see how we're going to stack up with the incredibly small amount of development we've done on the car so far.
Right.
And like after the last test, like the car feels pretty good, and there's a clear path forward to make it even better. So
Right.
I'm feeling pretty good about it. We need to be sub 50 at Button Willow to be competitive in this class, like probably 48 or 47 or something along those lines.
47 would be nice.
47 would be very nice.
That'd be very nice.
We'll make a good wing. And
I think we're on our way, man. I think we're definitely there. This is the first step to getting the aero balance correct and getting the front splitter right, and I think we'll get there. So these little tabs are flanges for the brakes that goes inside between the uprights. So once they're cleaned up, they'll fit right over there. Same on the opposite side. Perfect for this car. Looks great. Just get enough Endplates on it. I think I like it. I think that looks pretty damn good.
This side needs to be right here.
How's that look, world? Pretty good?
Let us know in the comments if that's good.
Yeah.
That's what I'm supposed to say on YouTube.
Here we are. Another G-Stream wing is born. There we go. It's a proud moment. That's a proud moment for me. Clap, Kevin, clap. Awesome. I'm pretty excited about that. I think that's pretty straight. I mean, it's a little crooked, but we'll just add a little more wing angle and we're good.
Don't worry, the commenters will let you know how badly you messed up.
Really looking forward to getting the car on track, doing some testing, dialing the car in, and working with you to develop an absolute incredible package for you guys, not only you guys, but also other consumers.
Awesome. Thanks, John.
Thanks, man. Good to
Appreciate
see
you having me by. So 2 days. Right now it's Wednesday. In 2 days we're going to be at Button Willow testing different spring rates, sway bars, which I just picked up,
Right.
and the aero package. So we'll have the wing on the car. We'll have the version 1 of the splitter on the car.
Right.
And
That's in 2 days, right?
That's in 2 days. Yeah.
All right. Cool.
All right, let's wrap this bad boy up.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'll. Oh God, I didn't think this through. There we go.
There you go.
All right, and cut to the racetrack.